How to fix the Windows Security Center service is turned off or missing error in Windows. For this first step, search for run and type the following text services.msc. Click OK. Scroll down and search for Security Center services. Search it and right click. Click properties and make sure the service status it should be in running mode. Make sure it. Click apply and OK. And scroll down and search for Windows Defender Firewall Services. Right click it. Click properties. Make sure the service status it should be in running mode. Click apply and OK. And search for Windows Security Service. Right click. Click properties. Make sure the service status it should be in running mode. Click OK. After completing, close it and come to next step. Search for Windows Security. Click App Settings. Scroll down. Under Reset, you have seen Repair and Reset. Click it. First click Repair. Once complete after, click Reset. Close it and move on with next step. Search for command prompt. Right click. Click Run as Administrative. And type the following text. sfc /scan now. Type it correctly and click enter and wait for some time. This process will take some time because it's actually verifying your files in your device. If there is any corrupted file having means it will remove it. And also once complete 100% it will shows which location and which file have corrupted. There is no corrupted file available here. Exit it and restart your device. Thank you.